thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Erin, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Erin, Cumberland City, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Clarksville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 5, effective until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 6, effective until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Kenning, Rutherford, Williamson, and Wilson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service office in Nashville is provided in conjunction with the broadband internet services.
Alright, we're going to send that one more time. That
Rest of tonight. Chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the evening. Then showers and thunderstorms likely late in the evening. Shower. Sunday, partly sunny.
Okay, we're going to send that one out. We're going to send it out one more time here. Okay, guys, here's the watch. Watch number 6, and I am in it. I'm going to send it out one more time. Okay.
You have one red catfish.
Oh, let me go ahead and okay. Guys, this is the watch. Alright, now we're going to send it out again. And we got a tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Dover, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clarksville around 8:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Indian Mound, Palmyra, Slayton, Cumberland City, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado watch.
Sorry for that cutoff for the tornado watch, but alright guys.
Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Clarksville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation.
And we got a PDS.
Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Clarksville around 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cedar Hill and Adams. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southeast of Guthrie, or 10 miles northwest of Springfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Robertson County, including the following locations: Cedar Hill, Adams, and Orlinda. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cross Plains, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Scottsville, Allen Springs, Blackjack, Oak Forest, West Fork, Clare, Geddes, Settle, Yes, and McElroy Ford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Radar indicates indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Dixon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Brentwood, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Coopertown, White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Lakewood, Pegram, and Ridgetop. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Your thunderstorm was located near Ashland City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Dixon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Brentwood, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Coopertown, White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Lakewood, Pegram, and Ridgetop. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I hope you guys enjoyed that double header there. Here's the alert. Focus. Well, you guys get the gist.
Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Centerville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Columbia, Dixon, Centerville, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belmead, Thompson Station, Fairview, Antioch, Bellevue, Bon Aqua, Cummins, Prim Springs, Natchez Trace, and Highway 96 and Troon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And there's the alert.
County in Middle Tennessee, Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Clay County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Lafayette to near Spring Hill, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Columbia, Gallatin, Lebanon, Lafayette, Carthage, Salina, Gainsboro, Hartsville, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Mount Juliet, Nolansville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, and Lakewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
As you guys might have just heard, it's from my county. So, and here's the word. And I should go to my phone.
Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Underwood, Patriceville to near Evergreen, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Muscle Shoals, Russellville, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Red Bay, Rogersville, Killen, Down Creek, and Cherokee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday for the following counties: Lawrence, Alabama. Central Limestone County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, eastern Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:23 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Whitwell to near Weston, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Athens, Russellville, Knowlton, Trinity, Bill Campbell, Down Creek, Whitwell, Layton, and Cortland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence, Limestone, and Morgan.